I believe that really a kid should do fine on 2 meals a day. They don't need to be having 2 meals and snacks and everything else. So when Kyle does eat, my son either doesn't eat breakfast at all. And if he does, it's probably about 50 calories of fruit. And it's not because I'm saying don't eat. It's not because he's eating what he wants. Like I'll put some fruit out in front of him. I could put waffles. I could put this. He literally looks at the plate. He almost always just takes the fruit, and he takes about this much fruit. And if I had to, I don't count the calories, but I'm saying if I did, he either eats 0 calories or 50 calories of fruit every day.
Yeah.
And he's in perfect shape. He's like number one in every one of his sports. He is the fastest runner in his entire school. I mean, he's just a beast. He's an absolute athletic beast. So I absolutely think kids can do intermittent fasting. I would say Kyle probably eats in an 8-hour window every day. Sometimes between 8 and 10 hours is what he usually eats.
All right, well, Chantel, thank you so much for answering all these questions on intermittent fasting. And if they have more questions or want more information on intermittent fasting, where should they go?
So we have an intermittent fasting group. So check out our Waste Away intermittent fasting group. I think it's called Intermittent Fasting Community Group. You can look for that. So join our Facebook group. You can also go download the podcast. I have 2 podcasts. One's called Waste Away through intermittent fasting, and one is the Fasting Resets podcast. So both of those have great information. And then also go to the fastingresetsummit.com. And that's where we had 46 guests talk about everything you could possibly want to know. And it's all about fasting.